to check gifted games on Steam. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check gifted games on Steam. To check gifted games on Steam, you will need to open your Steam client application on your device or go to the Steam website and log into your account. If you want to use the Steam website, you need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar you need to type steam.com. And if you want to use the Steam application, here open your Steam application on your device and once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this home page at the top, you will find some options. You need to click on this games option next to friends. Once you click on this option, a drop-down menu will appear. From this, you need to click on this Manage Gifts and Guest Passes option. Once you click on it, you will be presented with a new interface on your screen. Here you will find a little arrow facing downwards next to Trade Offers. Click on this arrow and from the drop-down here you need to click on View Gift History. Once you click on it, now you will be presented with all the gifted games you have gifted on Steam. Currently, the gift history is not available here. Since I haven't gifted any games on Steam, you are not able to see the gift history on this page. But if you have gifted games on Steam before, then you will find the history here. So by following these steps, you should be able to check gifted games on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.